I'm famous for being a negative Nelly and just shouting at people and being an ass in public and just using 20% curse words in any random email. The fact is, most of the time I'm actually very happy. It's just that when I'm happy, I'm quiet, right? So I'm not really all that down on things. It's just that when you see me in public, it's usually because something went wrong, right?
So, world is good, everything is okay with it?
The world is actually mostly good. I mean, and Linux is doing great, and I really have no real complaints. But then I get up on the wrong side of the bed, and I want to bite somebody's head off, and somebody sends me a patch that breaks something, and I get really upset. Actually, yeah, I mean, part of it is I enjoy arguments. People still quote the argument I had with Andrew Tannenbaum 23 years ago, because I was this young, stupid university student, and what do? I start arguing with the professor who made the operating system that I was using, right? So I'm argumentative, I get negative, but on the whole, I mean, things are so good.
Not being able to watch kittens actually tops it.
What?
Not being able to watch kittens on YouTube actually tops your list.
I can watch kittens these days because I've stopped having to care about Flash, because it turns out Chrome has Flash built in, and they actually maintain it, so I don't have to worry anymore. And even I'm famous for my NVIDIA rant. Even NVIDIA, what the hell happened? They have been active maintainers in their areas. It's like the world turned all pink and roses.
Your rant happened?
I'd like to say that maybe it was helpful. It certainly raised the profile of the problem. So, hey, maybe sometimes cursing is good, right? But I actually think the rant raised the issue, but realistically, NVIDIA also noticed that Android is so important to them, and Linux has actually become a major player to them now that they are working on the mobile space. So they started realizing, hey, maybe we should play together. And that's the much more important part, and that's the one that has brought so many companies around. So,
thank you.